What is one of the most common electronic payment methods that allow borrowers to spend money? While some offer cash, points, or miles as rewards based on how much credit score you earn, credit scores refers to borrowers' worthiness. Does this ring a bell? Well, of course, it's a credit card. And in today's video, I'll be talking about credit cards with a reward system. Please do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Credit cards with rewards tend to cost more than an ordinary credit card with annual fee charges of over $500 and more, although their interest rates are higher than the normal credit cards. They usually come with terms and conditions that could result in restrictions, regulation of rewards, minimum redemption, and difficulty redeeming rewards. Some credit card issuer even change policies and programs without alerting a credit card holder, so make sure to read the fine print. Get enough information and knowledge of your billing statements and the credit card's policy. You could even get your lawyer or accountant to help with that too. These rewards are not forever with some credit cards, but the best reward systems have no expiring date unless you fall behind on payments. This automatically forfeits your rewards. Some rewards can be invested and some can be used to reduce mortgages. There has been a widespread use of credit card rewards in buying gifts. A large percentage of people with credit card rewards use the rewards in getting the party, holiday, and birthday gifts. The reward system exists in cash, points, and travel, with each serving its own purposes. So let's first talk about cash reward. Cash rewards are not money in your hand. They're paid as a statement credit, which reduces your balance. Cash or rewards issued back into your credit account, but the credit card company is called a statement credit. They are the easiest to use since they are very straightforward. Some allow you to redeem your cash rewards only as a credit to your account. Some allow rewards to be paid as a statement credit that reduces your balance, but the redemption doesn't count as your account payment. Other credit cards with a reward system let you have the option of receiving your reward by check or direct deposit in your bank account. You could use your card issuer's merchant partner too. The next thing we're going to talk about is point rewards. You get point rewards by how much you spend. Points are earned depending on the credit reward policies. Gift cards, travel, and cash are ways in which points can be redeemed. Some points even come in the form of auto reward cards and hotel reward cards. With offers of about 10% to 20% off the gift card price, points in turn become even more valuable than money. The third area we're going to talk about is travel rewards. The third credit card reward, being travel rewards, can redeem tickets with either by air, road, or sea, depending on location and the reward policies. Its reward is measured in miles, and the number of miles earned varies per credit card. Conversion of miles is allowed, but some points will be lost. Conversion is usually 1 cent to 1 mile. The fourth thing we'll discuss is perks that help you keep up with credit cards with a reward system. You could have a credit card with great rewards and wind up losing at both the ends while paying up and at receiving rewards. To avoid this, here are 4 easy ways to practice and understand perks to help you stay on good terms with your credit card. Spending and receiving rewards. The first, knowing how to get the right card. You need to know your spending habit. The first thing you might want to monitor is your spending habit. This will help you with the category of reward you'll love to receive. Your spending habits project your wants. So if you're enthusiastic about traveling, a travel card will serve you well. While as parents, a cash card like the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card, which lets you earn the highest return when you buy in bulk, it may be perfect for you. And also, another thing you need is the attitude of owning a card. A sweet tip to know is that the more you charge all purchases to your credit card, the greater your rewards. Well, this can drive up a spending frenzy, and we'll be reading shopaholic experiences on your social media. So how do you create a balance? By your attitude, which should be money smart. And how do you have a money smart attitude? By charging all purchases to your credit card and paying it all back as quickly as possible. That way you're safe and your rewards are at an increase each time. Next, let's talk about the benefits of owning multiple cards. Owning multiple cards could be complicated, but helps with maximizing rewards. You can earn 2% cash on all purchases, or 1% back when you pay off 1%, or 5% cash back in a rotating bonus category per credit card. Depending on the credit card you use, You could earn a discount when you shop at your retailer or a travel reward on another card. Each reward is attached to a single card. And it's also really important that you remember bonus categories. Being aware of bonus categories, most especially for multiple credit card users, could help you monitor each card higher rate returns. Certain stores have different rates for different cards, so set up a reminder that tells you if you're eligible to opt in for a reward category. A bonus tip just for you: rewards card carry a higher APRs than non-reward cards. APRs is the annual percentage rate, which tells you how much interest you're to pay. If you own a balanced month-to-month credit card, it's best to focus on low-interest credit cards. Take your time and share the most hilarious experience you've had with your credit card in the comment section below. You can add the part of the video that benefited you. Did you enjoy it as much as we did? We are sure you did. Please show your support by liking and sharing this video. And don't forget to hit the like button also. I'll see you guys on the next video.